Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your data and essential libraries so you can act immediately. Import pandas as PD, Matplotlib, Pyplot as PLT, and Seaborn as SNS, then load a CSV into DF. Inspect the first rows and data types to catch parsing issues early. Once done, pick the variables you want to visualize and whether you need aggregation or grouping. You do this now to avoid rework later, because knowing column types determines which plot types will render correctly and efficiently. You next build the core visualization, starting with a simple call that matches your data shape. For distributions, choose histplot or boxplot. For relationships, use scatterplot or lineplot. Make sure to set fig size and DPI so plots are readable, then add axis labels and a concise title. Once plotted, refine with color palettes, hue for grouping, and set log scales if data spans orders of magnitude. You do this iteratively, so each change reveals whether the visual communicates your point. You finish by exporting clear files and documenting choices so others reproduce results. Save with high DPI and tight bounding boxes, and export grouped summaries used for annotations. Annotate points of interest and add a legend positioned for clarity. If something looks off, first check data types and missing values, then verify axis scales and transformations. If plots are empty or overlapping, resample or apply alpha and jitter. These checks resolve most visualization problems quickly, so your final graphic is correct and communicative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.